Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix your account is frozen problem on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to Google Chrome, tap on Chrome and search here Telegram. Tap on this. Next, tap on support. Now, describe your problem. And next, your legal name. After that, enter your email. Next, enter your phone number. Next, submit your application. Next, your wait for a response time can be 24 hours to 7 days, sometimes longer. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my